if every year 2.5% zakat on savings or jewelry is given, is paid, after 40 years, there would be nothing remaining. Is this a trick question?
Many people think that if we keep on giving 2.5% zakat, so 2.5 multiplied by 40 becomes 100%. So you give 2.5% every year, then at the end of 40 years, you'll be left with nothing. Actually, the maths is a bit weak because zakat is given on what they have for one full year. So if, for example, someone has maybe 100 grams of gold, so he has to pay zakat for the first year, 2.5%. That is 2.5 grams of gold. Next year, he has to pay 2.5% on 97.5 grams, not on 100 grams. So, which will be less than 2.5 grams gold. So, it will take much more than 20 years. And the full asset can never be nil. It can never be. Even if hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years, but it will never be nil. It will keep on diminishing. Something will be left. But again, the moment it reaches a nisab level, just after a few years, if the lady gives 2.5%, maybe about for a few years, maybe 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, within a few years, from 5 to 10 years, it will reach a nisab level. The moment it goes below 85 grams of gold, which will take somewhere close to about 10 years odd, or a little bit more, moment it reaches below nisab level, then you stop paying zakat. Or if a person has 1,000 grams gold, he keeps on giving, but the moment it reaches nisab, they stop giving gold. So never can it be zero. Even practically, if they keep on giving even below nisab, it will not reach zero. But the moment it reaches nisab according to Islamic Sharia, they don't have to give zakat. So that's the reason, alhamdulillah, this tax is levied every lunar year.
Jazakallah.